Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Cobb's channel, and our today's topic is around Excel formatting. So we have a set of data of sales representatives and their monthly summary. So here are the sales person's name, their target and what they have achieved and the percentage, the target achieved in terms of percentage. So what we need to find is do formatting, apply conditional formatting. Anyone with 100% and above will get green light. Okay. So what we need to do is basically select the range to which we want to apply the conditional formatting, and then in the homes menu, come to conditional formatting and new rules. Within this, we have a multiple options. What we will use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, so here we will put in our formula. So if E13 is this particular cell, so E13 is greater than equal to 1. 1 represents 100%. Okay, so if it is greater than equal to 1, format it, give it a green color. So this is how it will look and apply. Here you go. So green came in. Now let's check. Let's make it 100%, exactly 100%. See, the moment we make it 100%, it is green. Okay. Now next one. Uh, Anyone between 80 and 100% success rate will get an amber. Okay. So anyone which is between 80 and 100. So same new rule using formula equals to. So this we need to use two things. Okay. Greater than 80 but less than 100. So we two conditions are there, but we got just one cell to put formula. So we'll use AND function. Within AND, we will mention E13 is greater than 0.8, which is my 80%. And if E13 is less than 1, which is my 100%, then format it, give it an amber color. Okay, let's go and check. Here you go, amber. Now, the last one, anyone below this gets a red light. So whoever has not achieved 80%, so they will get a red light. So again, another rule, formula is equals to E13 is less than 0.8. Oops, 0.8. Format, red, okay, okay. Here you go. So, yep, thank you for watching this video.